Hi guys, today we will make a new meal. For one time we will cook veal, I think it's veal in English, the baby of a cow. So we will make this very easy meal, trust me, and fast. My cat, sorry. So for this meal you need chopped veal, pasta of course, 2 carrots, chopped tomatoes, 1 garlic, and the herb that you like. Personally I like Provence herb, it's French. We like to cook this with meat, so I choose this. You can choose what you want, what you prefer. Let's go. So in first we will prepare the water for the pasta. You will see it's very easy and fast. Okay. So we will cut the carrots. This is for after. So I don't like to do that, but no choice. When I will have kids, it will be very long. Oh my god. Okay, so 1. Don't forget to like and comment the video for support me. If you like, of course. If you don't like, don't comment the video. Okay, so now we cut like this. I don't know how to say that. Like not too big because it will be long for cook. Okay, so now we can start to cook. So we will cook the pasta. What is that? It's 11 minutes. So we can cook the carrots. I forget, but sorry, you need an onion too, okay? Onion and garlic. We need oh. So the carrots, the onion, the garlic is for after. And the chopped veal. So 5 minutes. In this time we can prepare the garlic. Perfect. And the herb. Perfect. It's not enough. We can add tomato, I will add some water of the pasta. finished for the pasta. Perfect. And now you can cover for 10 minutes.